Hey y'all, it's Margaret with Saunders IT. Welcome back to How To Tuesday, week 14. This week's AI tip is for anyone who struggles with what to post on social media. So we've got you covered. Coming up with fresh, engaging captions every week can be really tough. If we're being honest, sometimes our creative juices are just not flowing, especially when you're running a business and wearing 20 hats. So that's where AI can help. Just open a tool like ChatGPT. We have talked about that each week. And in the search bar, type something simple like, please write 5 fun Instagram captions for a small business summer sale. You'll get instant ideas to work with. Think of it as your digital brainstorming buddy. Now, here's the key that I think people go wrong when they use AI for things like this. Don't just copy and paste. Take those AI suggestions and make them sound like you. Add your personality, possibly make it funny, or whatever sounds like you. Add an emoji, an exclamation point, whatever, adds you to it. That's what's going to keep your brand real and relatable. So for instance, let's say AI gives you, shop our sizzling summer sale. You could tweak it to, our sales are hotter than the sidewalk in July. Grab a deal before it melts with a hot emoji. Once you've got a few captions you like, go ahead and schedule them out. There is a tool called Metrical that we have used for over a year, and it has proven to be a great planning platform where you can just post to all the different social sites and schedule them out. Now your social media is working in the background and you can get back to running your business. It's just kind of a one and done. You can spend a whole day planning out your, the next 2 months on social, and then you can work and not think about it. So using AI like this can save time, it fights burnout, and helps you stay consistent online without sounding like a robot. So 3 things I just want y'all to remember when using AI for social sites. Use it to brainstorm. And number 2, add your own voice. And number 3, keep it consistent. Because on a side note, as we know, creating a brand means you need to be consistent so that when someone, say, has a computer problem, they might think, oh, I've seen Saunders everywhere, or whatever your business is, that is going to be the first person they think of. So follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and X for more quick tips. And of course, our website is saundersit.net, and that's your How To Tuesday tip for the week. Always feel free to email me at margaret@saundersit.net, and I will see y'all next Tuesday. Bye.